Welcome to our channel, One Techly. You need to watch this if you struggle with mastering full-stack development. Want to be the jack of all trades in coding? Let's talk full-stack development. Full-stack development means mastering both front-end and back-end skills. First, the front-end. Note that HTML and CSS are useful for structuring and styling the web. JavaScript for dynamic user experiences, and frameworks like React or Angular for complex interfaces. On the back end, you'll need server-side languages like Node.js or Python, database knowledge with domain-specific languages like SQL or databases like NoSQL, and server management tools like Docker. Middleware, think Express.js or Django, connecting front and back end seamlessly. Don't forget DevOps. Version control with Git, CI/CD tools like Jenkins, and cloud services like AWS are all key. Lastly, hone those soft skills such as problem solving, communication, and agile methodologies. Master these, and you're set to design, build, and maintain powerful web applications from start to finish. Ready to be a full-stack hero? Let's do this, babe. Please like and subscribe if this video resonates with you to help us reach more tech enthusiasts like yourself. Thanks for watching.